Do you want to import goods from China but feel confused when you look at a proforma invoice? A small mistake can cost you lakhs. In this video, I'll share 5 important Chinese terms that every Pakistani trader must recognize on a proforma invoice. I'm Abdul. Welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. When trading with China, the proforma invoice or PI is the first and most important document. If you don't understand the technical terms written on it, you could be misled about order quantity, price, or delivery time. The first word you should look for on an invoice is Dānjià. It means unit price or the price per piece. Many traders focus on the total amount and forget to check the unit price. The second important term is Zǒng'é, which means total amount. This includes the total cost of your goods, taxes, and sometimes shipping if the supplier has added it. Always make sure this matches what you agreed on with the supplier. The third and most sensitive part is Fùkuǎn fāngshì, which means payment method. Chinese suppliers usually include their bank details here. Pay close attention to this section so you don't send money to the wrong account. The fourth term is Jiāohuò, meaning delivery period. In business, time is money. If the delivery time is longer than expected and you don't notice it, you could miss your selling season. The last and very important term is Guīgé, which means specifications. This includes product size, color, material, and weight. Suppliers sometimes change specifications to provide cheaper goods, so always double-check this section. If you understand these 5 terms, you've solved one of the biggest challenges in China trading. Would you like me to show you how to ask for discounts from Chinese suppliers in the next video? Comment discount below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. 再见.